Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and connect to your Roam.io Smart Security Rover. For this tutorial, you'll need the following items: a Roam.io Smart Security Rover, a mouse and keyboard, an HDMI compatible monitor or TV, an Android smartphone, and a wireless internet connection. So first, let's connect everything we will need during this tutorial to our Roam.io device. Let's connect the HDMI connection to our device. Then the USB mouse and keyboard. Next, press the power button on your battery. Raspbian OS should begin to load on your display and you'll be taken to a desktop. From here, we want to make sure that Roam.io has a connection to the internet. To do this, click on the connection icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and select your preferred wireless network. After the connection has been established, use an IP checking site so that we can find our public IP. I'll be using IP Chicken for this tutorial. Make sure to write this down as you'll need it for later use. Now we will need our local IP address. To get this, open the terminal at the bottom of the screen. Some text will begin to show up, but we want to cancel this by using Ctrl and C. To show our IP, type ifconfig -A. The IP will be under the WLAN 0 device. Be sure to write this down as well. After we've gotten our IP addresses, click the Start button and go to Preferences and Raspberry Pi Configuration. From here, make sure that Boot to CLI is selected and that the Login as User Pi box is ticked. Click OK and reboot your device. After rebooting, your display will show several output messages and stop loading. This means that we're ready to connect. Now we're ready to disconnect our mouse, keyboard, and display and connect to our Roam.io. On your Android device, with the Roam application installed, open the application. A text box appears at the top of the screen. Now we will want to type the local IP from earlier for testing. Next, press the Connect button. If everything is configured correctly, we should now see a live video feed, as well as a set of movement controls at the bottom of the screen. You will need to be connected to the same wireless network as your Roam.io on your smartphone in order for this to work. For connecting with your public IP, you will need to forward ports 8000, 8081, and 8082 on your personal router. For a guide on port forwarding for your specific router, visit www.portforward.com. Your Roam.io device is now configured and ready for use. Thanks for watching.